Hi, I'm Erica. I'm an attorney here at the law offices of Joe Bernard, and today I'm going to answer some questions that are the most common questions that we get from our clients. So, oftentimes people ask us whether they should submit to a breath test if they've been arrested for OUI. Now, there are two sides of that coin. The first side is if you submit to a breath test, you're giving the prosecutor much stronger evidence in the case to continue to prosecute you. However, the license suspension is much shorter. It's always 30 days, whether it's your first offense or your fourth. So after that 30 days, you can always drive again. But it does, again, make that criminal prosecution much stronger for the government. On the other side, you can refuse a breath test. You have a constitutional right to refuse. And so if you do choose to refuse, there's a much longer loss of license, and it depends on really how many prior OUI charges you've had in the past. If you refuse, however, it makes your defense much stronger. That's not to say that there isn't necessarily other evidence that the prosecutor might use, but there's no direct evidence of alcohol in your body. And so it is two sides of the coin, and it somewhat depends on people's life circumstances and what they do for work. Do they drive? Family obligations, and ultimately, these are all things that we can talk with you about and help you work through your case, regardless of whether you've submitted to a breath test or refused. So please feel free to reach out to us if this is a situation that you're facing. We're happy to answer your questions.